but this is a reem air conditioning unit. It's very loud. It's really loud. You might want to loud. Well, the reason it's so loud is because the air conditioner guys. Now, I'm not shaming the air conditioner guys. I love the people that came out. Big shout out to Myers Comfort Specialist for always keeping our house in check. But it's not Myers' fault. It's the people who manufacture these blades. These blades are cheap pieces of crap. Seriously, they are. They're not good blades. They just don't work. They use cheap parts. The blades on that one are steel. These are aluminum. And the reason they had to replace the whole fan motor. And the guy bent the other blade trying to get it off of the old fan motor. So they ordered a new blade. And this is what it does. And the screws are starting to back out. Now, watch the start up. It's so loud. That thing vibrates like crazy. There's the circuit breaker. Very loud. Ooh, spider web. That's 825 RPM. Yeah, it's fast. And one thing I found cool about this thing came off here, and it says reem. Okay, what is it? A weather king or a reem? You air conditioner guys probably know. Why does it say Weather King on the other side of that reem logo? It's so loud. You can hear it all the way up there. And here's this little tour. We don't have a backyard. We just got a steep abyss. There's the other one. And there's a spider web in there. Look. There is a spider right there. There's a spider in the air conditioner. I want to turn it on and see what happens, but I don't want to get age restricted for killing a spider. I'm joking. I would never hurt the spider. We need spiders. Bye.